Hi guys, it's us, and we
Hi.
have babies in the house.
Hi.
So our friends from New York are in town. We worked all day long, and the kids had late dentist appointments. So we're going to show you a quick meal that you can make for friends that are in from out of town that involves sometimes buying prepackaged food. Prepackaged food can still be good. Trader Joe's got some organic baby broccoli. I got some organic asparagus.
Some salad.
Salad, my herb salad mix is my favorite. I'll show you how to make that. And fresh Atlantic salmon, boneless, skinless filet. So
Now, just last Tuesday in JAMA, the Journal of American Medical Association, a story came out where all these researchers up in the Bay Area tested all these people on different types of diets. Here's the one thing they found consistent. It's a very interesting read because they mentioned a lot of keto stuff. You will lose. Yeah, you will lose more weight eating non-processed food.
True.
So if you are going to grab something from the store, look, there's nothing added. It's just prepackaged, which means it's going to cost you double for the same thing.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but when you don't have time to clean it or do anything, and sometimes some of our friends say, I don't have time to cook these elaborate meals. It doesn't have to be.
Right.
We're going to do a Taco Tuesday video for you. And you can get a lot of stuff. It's just lettuce. Please save a lot of money and just get the heads and clean it yourself and do everything.
But if you're gonna get packaged, this is my absolute favorite salad to make. Ireland loves it. Herb salad mix. Herbs.
Peaches and
Herbs, tomatoes, and avocados, and blue cheese. And they have an amazing salad dressing, a Greek-style Feta dressing that's low on sugar and carbs. I don't think it has any sugar.
everything's better with Feta.
You know, it's very good, a decent fat, and pre-made. So
Chris is gonna prep the veggies. I'm gonna do the salad real quick, and then in a few minutes we're gonna throw in
you're making my salad?
the salmon. Well, I can stand here and just look pretty.
Nah, you can make my salad. We just have some organic asparagus, some organic broccolini, I think it's called, and some Spanish organic extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed, and we're just gonna lather these puppies up with some olive oil and a little salt and pepper and throw them in the oven. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes on, oh my gosh, I didn't heat the oven.
Oh no, don't tell him. The illusion, we can edit it down.
The illusion. Alright, so.
Our camera got so messed up. This is the most horrible camera work for a filmmaker.
Yep. So sometimes you can go fast and then you can forget to do stuff like breathe. So salt, pepper, olive oil, and veggies. Goes great.
I'm gonna do my super quick cut.
Super quick. Again, it doesn't take a lot for veggies, but we like the Himalayan sea salt ourselves. Better for you than table salt in so many ways.
Name 4.
It tastes better. It is better. It goes better. It was better.
It looks better, has a higher
It's
sodium
pink.
content.
Yeah.
If you did or didn't see the other video, I have a plate that's upside down. See that? Chris's butt's kind of there. I take another plate, and look at this. I squish the plates, and I'm going to take my knife, and
Oh, good
I'm
lord.
just going to look right in the middle.
This is like a magic trick. It is a magic trick.
And look at that.
Mostly
All
sliced
of them
tomatoes.
are already cut in half. So if you have a super quick, oh, I got to do this now. Done.
This guy's trying to run away.
Bastards.
Yeah, no.
So that kicked all the tomatoes.
Yep.
We would like to attribute our soundtrack to Jack Jack.
Thank you, Jack Jack.
He's in from New York.
This
He's
music
playing the
is
circuit.
pre-cleared. I'm going to throw these in the oven. It's going to still be preheating, unfortunately, for a little bit, but at least it takes a while for them to cook anyway. Might as well sit in the oven. So, while you are making the salad, I'm going to go back in my vehicle spot.
Okay.
And open the prepackaged salmon and make a little sauce for it. Again, this is super quick and easy. If only we had a naked sous chef here to talk to us about how delicious the food looks. My gosh.
So I just
Really
like to cut
packaging?
it like this. See the lines? Just to throw into the salad.
Ugh. This is crazy packaging. Hey, naked sous chef, do you want to open the salmon?
Super easy.
Okay, wash your hands.
All of them are just.
Just the one hand that you're gonna touch the salmon with.
So JB and I,
All in the packages.
Oh yes.
yeah, all in the packages. Opened them in the packages.
It was very literal.
JB and I were both cooks in New Orleans.
Yes.
Little
James
cool
is an
trivia.
Amazing cook. Although I don't know why I have a shirt on. He promised to shirtless.
I did it to support your viewers.
We get more viewership with shirt on.
Our viewers subscribe if I
That's
don't take
probably
my
enough
shirt
for all
off.
of us, huh?
That's good.
Yeah. Okay. So we saved more salmon for later. Ow. 3 cooks in the kitchen is really fun.
For our
in
23
little-
square feet, this
in our
is
little apartment. Yep.
a big deal.
Awesome. So, I'm off camera throwing things away. Damn it.
This is like 3 times the size of my apartment in New York City.
Well, it's New York.
You're like, it's so luxurious here. Oh man, this
Fancy.
space.
We have so much room. All right. So for the salmon,
What,
I'm gonna
how,
make a-
how long do you cook it, and what do you do to it?
I cook it 10 to 12 minutes on 375. Maybe
Tell the
maybe
camera.
we'll even
Not
pump
me.
it up to, I don't know. I actually forgot. I'm gonna
Oh,
pump it up to
sorry.
400. I really want it to be perfect. Okay, so for the salmon, I'm gonna throw together a quick sauce first, and I'll show you how we make this. This is splashes and doses. I don't even measure it out anymore. Some soy sauce. Not all of these are super keto friendly. We're playing fast and loose tonight because we got buddies in town. They're paleo. It's all good. I love that salad. A little honey, organic. Again, this is all processed, but it's a great salmon sauce. This is more of that real-time cooking. And we'll have a little honey. Honey, can you,
Yes, honey.
can you bang this while I'm doing other things?
That's what she said.
Preteen laughing in the background. Little Steve Carell making. Oh my gosh! Come on. You're just making me do shake weight stuff on camera.
Maybe. So look, avocado, tomato, blue cheese. I'll toss it at the table with our 2 packages of the spring salad, and we'll drizzle some Greek on at the very end.
You've been drinking. Did you get your drink on? Yes. Ginger. Yes. So this is just stir in ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger. That's always lovely. Kind of feel it out. Yeah, the texture looks good. Gonna do some fresh garlic. Oh my gosh, that is pungent. It's really hard to do a cooking show with attention whores. Alright. Ginger. No, garlic. All I can smell is ginger.
She likes to name her garlic. This clove is named Ginger.
Ginger.
The next one will be Mary Ann, and after that it'll be Professor.
Yes. Boom, boom.
Okay, you want to get out the brush?
The brush? Oh.
Mhm.
I've never rolled with the brush. I just pour it on and hope for the best. It's my
Oh
style.
my. Oh my.
But I know what he's talking about.
Oh my. That's the difference between us. I'm
Yeah.
the snobby, classically trained,
And I'm the
she's
throw
the-
it all in.
yeah. And here's the funny part. In life, we're kind of the opposite.
Yep.
In life, I'm like, "Meh." And she's like the classically trained pianist that has to do everything perfect. And as an attorney, she goes by everything perfect in the law. And but when it comes to cooking, we flip.
We flip.
Yeah, we do, babe. There you go.
Speaking of
Enjoy.
flipping, here's the salmon. So, beautiful salmons. They were prepackaged, air freeze dried, whatever the heck you call it. Soy, honey, ginger glaze. We're going to make this lovely glaze on the salmon with hoopity boopity, lots of ginger and garlic. Oh my! So we're gonna throw these beautiful salmon in the oven for our guests.
And for me, too.
And for the people that live here. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put 12 minutes on our microwave timer. All right, now it's been about 13 minutes. Salmon looks beautiful, pink, lovely.
A little brownish, but remember, there's also a sauce on there.
There's a sauce, so yeah, that is the soy glaze. Burn yourself on everything in here. And our easy bake oven made some grilled broccolini and asparagus.
Look how bright green and pretty they are.
Yeah, so I think those are done. I'm just gonna shut this down.
And so now it's just plating and eating. We're all
Plating
done.
and eating. Easy peasy.
Done.
Done.
Jack, what do you think?
Good.
Good?
Yummy? That's right. Good, good, good. Oh, that's
my.
amazing.
Gold.
Yeah. Because Aiden just happened to
salmon's
make
perfect.
a nice little salmon. It's hard to see in the plastic clay sculpture today.
That was convenient.
And what do you
It's
think
like
about the meal, Mama?
Salmon's perfectly cooked. It's great. Not too much glaze on it, just enough for a hint of flavor. Haven't gotten to the vegetables, but the salad's always good.
Mm-hmm. So this is our super quick
Super quick, still healthy meal.
20-minute meal.
Flavorful, simple,
That
healthy.
even a 20-month loves.
Yeah.
Ivan, you already finished all your salmon.
Diversify your diet with some salmon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? No?
Go on out.
It's your favorite salad though, right? Second favorite salad?